Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Luffy Image ID and Grow Garden 2 for your picture frame. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, make sure that you have already owned the picture frame. You can buy the picture frame crate from the gear shop and then open it. And then you're going to place it in your garden and edit the image ID. And this is the image ID for Luffy. 10511856020. When you add this image ID, you will get this cool Luffy image for the picture frame in Grow Garden 2. Okay, that's super cute, cool guys. And each image ID will give you different picture. So I think this is a very fun item in Grow Garden 2 Roblox right now. Okay guys, and that's the image ID for Luffy picture in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.